I'm going to show you how to build this 4x8 firewood rack in under 5 minutes. Total cost of this project is about $40. This right here will hold 1 cord of wood or 1/3 of a cord of wood. All we need is 3 cinder blocks, 8-foot section of a 2x4, 2 of those, and 4 2x4 by 5 foot. This whole unit right here is actually a 5x8 because I didn't want to waste materials, and it can hold a little extra wood. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is lay your 3 cinder blocks out to get your 8 feet. Try to level it out as possible, as much as possible as you can. I'm on quite a grade here, so I had to block it up a little bit. You could use that. I'm going to use a 2x4 by 8. You could use landscaping timber, which is a little bit cheaper and a little bit more heavy duty, or you can use a 4x4 by 8, which is really expensive. But I'm going to use these 2x4s. Go ahead and set them on top of the bricks. Level them out is level them out. The next thing we got to do is cut our 2x4 to get our corners. So let's do that. All right, guys. So now we're going to cut our sides. I actually have a 12-foot section of 2x4, so I'm going to cut it right in half, and it will be 6 feet long. And the time we put it into the cinder blocks, it will be down to 5 feet. So I'm going to try that. If it looks funny at the end, I can just cut it down at the end. So. All right, so we got our 8-foot section of 2x4, and I got my 6-foot 2x4. You're going to want to put these on the inside, lean them up. There you go. We're going to do the same to the other side. Now we got our wood rack built. That didn't take long. Only thing I had to do is cut a 2x4. And now the fun part, let's start stacking.